This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, March 16th. Stock index futures coming under a little pressure. This with most of the 7:30 reports coming in on the stronger side, including housing starts and permits. Also, we had jobless claims coming in with a smaller than expected number. But the March Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index came in at a larger negative number. In the currency markets, we had the European Central Bank at its policy meeting today, hiking rates by 50 basis points as expected, although there was a minority view that the central bank could hike by only 25 basis points. Also next week, we'll have the Bank of England holding its policy meeting. That will be on the 23rd, and most likely they will hike by 25 basis points. Some analysts think this could be the end of their tightening cycle. And in the interest rate futures markets, I think this is the place to be on the long side, especially for the 30-year Treasury bond futures. The long end of the curve futures trading higher, even though there would be plenty of reason for the long end of the curve futures to come under pressure. There could have been some weakness with flight to quality longs being liquidated. That was not the case. Economic reports were mostly stronger. That did not undermine the long end of the curve futures. So of all of the financial markets, I think it's the 30-year Treasury bonds is the place to be on the long side. Also, there is a triple top in the June-March bonds that I think will ultimately be taken out to the upside. So even though I think the fundamentals and technicals are most in line for the long side of the bonds, I think the entire curve is likely to trend higher. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone, and they're not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.